General knowledge on Mount Everest history and facts. What did you know about Mount Everest? Mount Everest is Earth's highest mountain above sea level located in the Mahalangur Himal subrange of the Himalayas. The China-Nepal border runs across the summit point. Elevation 8,848 meters. First ascender Edmund Hillary Tenzing Norgay. Countries Nepal, China. What country owns Mount Everest? Nepal and China. Mount Everest is located on the border between Nepal and Tibet, China. It is the world's highest mountain with Tibetan name Chomolungma and Nepalese name Sagarmatha. What country is Mount Everest in? Mount Everest is a peak in the Himalayan mountain range. It is located between Nepal and Tibet, an autonomous region of China, at 8,850 meters, that is 29,035 feet. It is considered the tallest point on Earth. Can we climb Mount Everest from China? Everest, China side. The China side is the north side of the Mount Everest. For foreign travelers, a Tibet entry permit and alliance travels permit are required by the Chinese government. Foreign travelers are required to travel to Mount Everest on a Chinese travel agency itinerary with a Tibetan tour guide. What is the height of the Mount Everest? The first official height registered was 8,840 meters and was maintained until the expedition from India in 1955, which concluded the height to be the current 8,848 meters, that is 29,029 feet. Where is Mount Everest in Nepal? Everest sits on the border between Nepal and Tibet, and from the Nepal side of the mountain, it is a long journey to get to the base camp. The closest point tourists are able to get. The same route is used for mountaineers, and from the base camp, they then move up to the advanced base camps before attempting to scale the mountain. Where is Mount Everest found in the world? Mount Everest is a mountain in the Himalayan mountain range, which is found in Central East Asia between the Indian subcontinent and the People's Republic of China. To the north, you will find many former Soviet Union countries such as Kazakhstan and finally Russia. And to the south, you will come to the Bay of Bengal between India and Southeast Asia. How Mount Everest was formed in the Himalayas. The entire Himalayan mountain range was formed some 65 million years ago after the continent of Pangaea split into the continents we know today. The Indian plate during the period from 65 million to 40 million years ago started to move northwards due to the pressure and crushed into the Eurasian plate to the north. With the immense pressure that was behind it, the Indian plate crumpled at its edge, also crumpling the Eurasian plate at the same time. What are the top 8 highest peaks in Himalayas including Everest? Mount Kanchenjunga at 8,586 meters. Mount Elhurst. Elhurst is the fourth highest mountain in the world at 8,511 meters. Mount Makalu peaks at stunning 8,463 meters. Mount Chowoyu, located in the Nepal, Chowoyu is the sixth highest mountain at 8,201 meters. Mount Dulagiri, the seventh highest mountain in the world. Dhaulagiri's peak sits at an elevation of 8,167 meters. Mountain Manaslu, located completely in Nepal and with an elevation at its peak 8,163 meters. Mountain Annapurna, famous for the huge number of trekking routes that circle the mountain. Annapurna is the 10th highest mountain at 8,091 meters. Do planes fly over Everest? According to DiBaprio, most commercial airlines avoid flying directly over the Himalayas. This is because the Himalayas have mountains higher than 20,000 feet, including Mount Everest, standing at 29,035 feet. However, most commercial airplanes can fly at 30,000 feet. What is the average temperature on Mount Everest. The temperature on the mountain never goes above freezing point. Mount Everest averages minus 19 degrees centigrade in summer and minus 6 degrees centigrade in winter. How did Mount Everest get its name? In the 19th century, the mountain was named after George Everest, a former Surveyor General of India. The Tibetan name of Cholungma, which means Mother Goddess of the World. The Nepali name is Sagarmata, which has various meanings. What is the history of Mount Everest? It was 1841 when an obscure peak in the Himalayas was recognized as the tallest mountain in the world by a British survey team led by Sir George Everest, and whom Mount Everest was named after in 1865. Today, climbers from across the world attempt to scale its mighty face. When was Mount Everest discovered? In 1856 AD. In 1856, Andrew Waugh announced Everest, then known as Peak XV, as 8,840 meters high. After several years of calculations based on observations made by the Great Trigonometric Survey, the 8,848 meters height given is officially recognized by Nepal and China. How old is Mount Everest? 50 to 60 million years. Earth scientists estimate that Everest is 50 to 60 million years old, a youngster by geological standards. The mountain was formed by the upward force generated when the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates collided, pushing up the rocks that formed the highest mountain on Earth. What is Mount Everest made of? Everest is composed of multiple layers of rock folded back on themselves. Rock on the lower elevations of the mountains consist of metamorphic schists and gneiss topped by igneous granites. Do any animals live on Mount Everest? Although there are not many animals that can survive the harsh winter of the Everest region to survive on the higher parts of the mountain, some can live till 6,100 meters. The animals like the blue sheep, pika, Tibetan gazelle, and wild yak, along with some other birds, can live up to the altitude of 6,100 meters. What country owns Mount Everest? Mount Everest is a peak in the Himalaya mountain range. It is located on the border between Nepal and Tibet, China. It is the world's highest mountain with a Tibetan name Cholugma and Nepalese name Sagarmata. Is Mount Everest in Nepal or Tibet? The summit of Mount Everest sits exactly on the border between Nepal and Tibet. Officially, the Tibet Autonomous Region of the People's Republic of China. One of the first decisions to be made upon committing even to try to climb the tallest mountain in the world is from which side you shall launch your ascent. Where is Mount Everest exactly located? Mount Everest, world's highest mountain, reaching 29,029 feet, that is 8,848 meters above sea level. Mount Everest is the highest mountain on earth, located in the Mahalnagar section of the Himalayas. The mountain's summit straddles the border separating China and Nepal. The mountain's height was first determined in 1856. Can a plane fly over Mount Everest? Airplanes often avoid air paths that take them over Mount Everest or the Pacific Ocean. This is because the Himalayas have mountains higher than 20,000 feet, including Mount Everest standing at 29,035 feet. However, most commercial airplanes can fly at 30,000 feet. Can birds fly over Mount Everest? A tracking study has revealed that secrets of the Himalayan flight of the bar-headed goose, the world's highest bird migration. The geese have been recorded at heights of more than 7,000 meters, and mountaineers have claimed they have seen the birds fly over Mount Everest. Does high altitude kill brain cells? Lack of oxygen can directly damage brain cells. Severe cases of acute high altitude disease have long been known to cause brain damage. But one of the sobering things about the failed study is that Even when climbers showed no signs of acute sickness, the scans still found brain damage. Does it rain on Mount Everest? The actual summit of Everest received very little precipitation as most of it is covered by high winds, big winter showrooms, snow rooms, while infrequent are possible as strong middle altitude storms occasionally brush the region and can deliver over a meter of snow at base camp, often taking trekkers by surprise. Why is Everest so deadly? A number of deaths on Everest have been the result of altitude sickness when humans struggle to adapt to the low oxygen levels at high altitudes, usually above about 10,000 feet, that is 3,000 meters. However, if left untreated, altitude sickness can cause cerebral or pulmonary edema, which are often fatal. What is the lowest temperature recorded on Mount Everest? This is minus 42 degrees Celsius. What is the lowest temperature ever recorded in Mount Everest? The lowest temperature of minus 42 degrees Celsius was recorded in December 2004 on Mount Everest. The average temperature in the summit is at least 57 degrees Celsius or 103 degrees Fahrenheit colder than at sea level. Why is Mount Everest so cold? You may already know about the relationship between temperature and pressure. When you pressurize air or any gas, it gets hotter, and when you release the pressure on air, it gets colder. It is this lower pressure at higher altitude that causes the temperature to be colder on top of a mountain, this at sea level. Is K2 actually higher than Everest? K2 at 8,611 meters is above sea level is the second highest mountain in the world after Mount Everest at 8,848 meters. Although the summit of Everest is at a higher altitude, K2 is a more difficult and dangerous climb due in part to its more inclement weather. How deep is the snow on Mount Everest? The Chinese team measured a snow ice depth of 3.5 meters, that is 11 feet, which is in agreement with a net elevation of 8,848 meters. Was Everest underwater? The peak of Mount Everest is made up of rock that was once submerged beneath the Tethys Sea, an open waterway that existed between the Indian subcontinent and Asia over 400 million years ago, possibly as much as 20,000 feet below the seafloor. The skeletal remains had turned into rock. Has there ever been a mountain taller than Everest? However, Mauna Kea is an island, and if the distance from the bottom of the nearby Pacific Ocean floor to the peak of the island is measured, then Mauna Kea is taller than Mount Everest. Mauna Kea is over 10,000 meters tall compared to 8,848 meters for Mount Everest, making it the world's tallest mountain. How Mountain Everest was formed. Earth scientists estimate that Everest is 50 to 60 million years old, a youngster by geological standards. The mountain was formed by the upward force generated when the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates collided, pushing up the rocks that formed the highest mountain on Earth. What animals live in the Mount Everest? The almost extinct animals that live in this park are musk deer, wild yak, red panda, snow leopard, and the Himalayan black bear. Some of other animals like the Himalayan thars, deer, langur monkeys, hares, mountain foxes, martens, and Himalayan wolves have been located in the park. What features does Mount Everest have? Everest is composed of multiple layers of rock folded back on themselves and is covered by ice and snow. The mountain is shaped like a three sided pyramid. The three generally flat planes that make up the sides are called faces. What is unique about Mount Everest? Mount Everest is the highest of the Himalayan mountains and at 8,850 meters is considered the highest point on earth. At 8,850 meters, it is considered the tallest point on earth. In the 19th century, the mountain was named after George Everest, a former Surveyor General of India. Is Everest still growing? Everest has not stopped growing. The mountain was formed by the upward force generated when the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates collided, pushing up the rocks that formed the highest mountain on Earth. The force is still at work today, pushing Everest's summit about a quarter of an inch higher each year. Why Mountain Kailash is unclimbed? Due to its religious significance, Kailash remains an unclimbed mountain. In 1926, Hugh Rutledge studied the north face, which he estimated was 6,000 feet high and utterly unclimbable, and thought about an ascent of the northeast ridge, but he ran out of time. Mount Kailash, center of Earth. Is it true? Russian and American scientists believe that the Mount Kailash is the center of the world and is known as the Axis Mundi. Its location is synchronization with several ancient mountains in the world and the Earth's poles. North Pole is 6,666 kilometers from the here, and the South Pole is 13,332 kilometers away from this peak. How fast does Mount Everest grow per year? About 4 millimeter a year. Everest stands at 29,035 feet or 8,850 meters and gains about 4 millimeter a year in the height due to collision of the Indian and Eurasian plates that started millions of years ago. As long as the plates continue on their course, Everest will stay the tallest mountain above sea level.